2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, trip computer, security system, heated steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.